evaluate the integral of e to the absolute value of x dx from -1 to 3. So since we have an absolute value here, we write first its definition. Absolute value of x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and negative x if x is less than 0. So since the limit of integration is from -1 to 3, we have a part that are less than 0 and greater than 0. So we can rewrite the given integral as integral from -1 to 0. This is the integral whose limit is less than 0, e to the absolute value of x plus the integral of 0 to 3. So this is the part where x is greater than or equal to 0. Then times the integral of e raised to the absolute value of x dx. Now, since on this first integral, the value of x is less than 0, we must replace this absolute value with negative x. So we have integral from -1 to 0 of e to the negative x dx plus the integral from 0 to 3. For this part, since the value of x here is greater than or equal to 0, we need to have e raised to positive x dx. And then evaluating this integral using the standard formula, if we have the integral of e to the ax dx, where a is a constant, it is just equal to 1 over a e to the ax plus c. Right? So, from the given, the value of a here is -1, the coefficient of x. So, therefore, the integral of e to the negative x is 1 over a, which is -1, then e to the ax, which is e to the negative x, then evaluated from -1 to 0. Or we just have negative e to the negative x. Then plus the integral of e to the x, it's just equal to e to the x evaluated from 0 to 3. So let's substitute first the upper limit 0 to x. So we'll have negative e to the negative 0, and then minus, substitute the lower limit -1 to x. So negative of e raised to negative of -1. Then plus, this time substitute the upper limit 3 to x. We'll have e to the 3. And then minus, substitute the lower limit 0 to x. We have e to the 0. So we'll have negative e to the negative 0, it's just 1. Then negative of negative, that's positive, e raised to negative times -1, positive 1, or simply e. And then plus e cubed, then minus e to the 0 is 1. So we can combine -1 minus 1, -2, plus e to the third. So this is the final answer.